Traditionally, a Bengali meal starts off with a bitter dish. This can be either fried bitter melon or fried neem leaves, cooked alone or with eggplant. Following these bitter dishes, you serve the next courses with rice and dal. We'll be making an extremely simple recipe of quote-unquote fried bitter melon, but the thing is, it's not actually fried. We use the microwave to give the bitter melon a crispy consistency without actually using that much oil, so you keep the healthiness of your meal. For this recipe, we used 1 to 1.5 pounds of fresh bitter melon that we washed and cut into thin slices, about a half teaspoon of salt, or to taste, a half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder, 2 tablespoons of vegetable or mustard oil. And as usual, the recipe has 3 basic steps. First, you'll cut the washed bitter melon into thin slices. Then you mix it with the spices and oil. And then you cook it in the microwave to your desired level of browning. We cut the bitter melon into coins. Then added the salt, turmeric powder, red chili powder, and the oil. And then mix them well. We transfer that to a shallow microwave-safe dish. We spread the bitter melon evenly around the dish. Then microwave that for 6 minutes on high. Then we open the microwave, check the level of doneness, and then stir it around. Microwave that for about 6 more minutes. And then we found out that we needed to stir and microwave it for another 2 to 4 minutes to brown and crisp it to the way we wanted it to be. And then depending on your microwave wattage, you might need to adjust the length of cooking. And then that's it. Serve the fried bitter melon with hot rice and dal.